Hello friends, welcome back. Today's recipe is going to be very exotic and innovative. I had made some sabzi yesterday and I have one boiled potato left over. So I thought, how should I use it? Let's make something new, try out something new. So today's dish is going to be very exciting. I'm sure you're curious to know what it is, right? All the ingredients are ready here and we are going to make potato chutney. Have you ever tasted potato chutney before? Sounds interesting, isn't it? So you watch the preparation and do give it a try and share the feedback whether you liked it or not. Sometimes, innovative recipes, when you try out all of a sudden, they turn out so superb, delicious. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Boiled potato 1, medium size. Tamarind juice 3 tablespoons. Chilli flakes half teaspoon. Maggi magic masala 1 packet. Roasted cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1/8 teaspoon just for color, and salt to taste. Then we have an onion finely chopped. I have diced it in the chopper. Cornstarch 1 teaspoon. We also call it corn flour. Jaggery powder 1 tablespoon. For your reference, ingredients list also is there in the description box. Now let's begin by peeling the potato. Mash it using a masher. We need coarse texture. Don't mash it too much. Let it be grainy. So you can see the texture is not very mushy. Now take a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of water. Add the tamarind water 3 tablespoons. Salt, cumin powder and turmeric powder. This is roasted cumin powder. Gives such a lovely flavor. Now jaggery powder. I'm adding 1 teaspoon. You can add as much as you like. Red chilli flakes about half teaspoon. Now this is Maggi magic masala powder. It comes in pouches like this for individual use. I'm adding the whole packet, which is about 1 tablespoon or little less maybe. If you don't have this, you can even use Maggi cube, crumble it and add. Mix everything nicely with a small whisk. Balloon whisk. I'm adding half cup water again because chutney needs to be cooked, simmered for some time. Now pour the mixture into a pan. Add the onions and the potato. Now we are going to cook this mixture. Give it a stir with a ladle. Did you all notice we did not add any oil to this chutney? So this chutney is made without any oil. Healthy option. Keep stirring intermittently. As it boils, it will start thickening. It's become much thicker now. At this stage, add the cornstarch slurry. Mix 1 teaspoon with water to 3 tablespoons of water, but add little by little depending on the consistency you want. Keep checking and add accordingly. Mix with a ladle and you can see now it's quite thick and nice. This thickens even after cooling, so keep that in mind. Spice level also you adjust according to your liking. Delicious it looks. Check the salt and adjust if required. Superb, it tastes so good. It's ready. Now you can dish it out or cool it and then dish it out, whatever. This chutney can be made more sweeter and served with your chaat also, with samosas and papdi chaat. It tastes yum. This one is mildly sweeter, not too sweet. Look at this delicious chutney. Looks so inviting. Enjoy it with your snacks. I'm sure you love it. Do give it a try. Thank you for watching, and here are some videos from the archives. Check them out as well, and stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye.